Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges on your Canon TS8322 printer. If you've been seeing an ink warning or your prints are coming out faded, it might be time to replace the ink. Start by lifting the top lid of the printer to expose the ink cartridge area. Make sure the printer is on and wait for the ink cartridge holder to move to the center. The Canon TS8322 uses a set of 5 ink cartridges: black, cayenne, magenta, yellow, and photo black. To remove a cartridge, gently press down on it and pull it out. Make sure you're using the correct ink for your Canon TS8322. Before inserting the new cartridge, remove the protective tape. Slide the new ink cartridge into the slot until you hear a soft click. Repeat this process for any other cartridges that need replacing. Once all the cartridges are replaced, close the printer's lid. Your printer should automatically recognize the new ink, and you'll see the ink levels reset to full. Now you're ready to print again. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.